I would say this would take about 2 gallons of distilled water, or you could use tap water if you prefer, except our water is too harsh. So there is a max line. Right now, currently, it's only up to this amount. You can look inside. And that's as far as that one goes. Then when you're going to go ahead and connect it, you're going to make sure that this is inside at the bottom of the unit. It's going to snap in. It says to make sure that the unit is dry from the outside. Press power. So they have different modes such as mist, the timer for how long you want to run it for. There's your humidity, and there's sleep. So now you're going to already start seeing how the water is coming out of the spout. So you can see. Okay. And it's going to help to bring more of a humidity into your space. And so I wanted to use this because we're approaching more of a drier season, and I've noticed that the allergies along with the breathing was being compromised. So I went and I got this for our master bedroom so we could use it. It also has a little night light that you could use. It's really nice. If you want to use a timer, you can go ahead and identify how long you want this to run. So I'm going to go ahead and let it run for about an hour. And you can also adjust how much you want it to release, but I'm fine with the way it is. So I'm really excited and grateful to have this in my environment, so that way it can help me be able to have more moisture in my environment and help me to breathe better. It's really sturdy, even with being on the rug with that stand attached. And then it also comes with its own remote control. So it did have a little battery pack. I just pulled it out, and then I can go ahead and turn it off and turn it on with just the convenient remote. I believe that it's not only sturdy, but a great value and quality. The design is very nice. And what I also like, it's not noisy. So it's going to be very comfortable for someone to be able to sleep through, and to also just put in their sleep, their little light on there as well. Thank you.
All right, so I just got my humidifier, and this is the box that came with. It's the Ultrasonic humidifier. Okay, and it's actually pretty cool, but you know, for the price, I was hoping I didn't have to put it together, which I love that it comes with a screwdriver and the little screws. There's 6 pieces, which is fine, not too complicated. This is the base for it, so there's 4 in there. I'm not sure what the other 2 screws are for, but I guess they're just extras. So you just kind of screw them down here, which is pretty easy. So I thought these would be like movable. I don't know why I had the feeling that it moved, because I got another one that it does. So I guess this one doesn't. And I like that it comes with this. I don't know if it's normal, that it's kind of cricket. Anyways, oh yeah, it does. So this is the lid, and you take it off. So this is where the air is gonna come out, or the mist. So if you want to pour water, I believe you have to take this off and then pour it towards here. Even it's got a little thing that says warning, do not add water from here. So when you pour water, you do it right over here. It's I think a max of 8 liters or something, so it's pretty big. I like that, so it'll last you a long time. Other thing that I love about this thing is that it does not require a filter. Here is your manual. So it's super easy to clean. Pretty much when you're gonna clean it, you take it off, which is obviously like lift that up and then this, and literally cleans it really good with soapy water, and that's it. And this is the handle to kind of take it off the I'm not sure yet. I was gonna turn it on, but I'm gonna take pictures after I put it together. I just wanted to show you excuse me, how this is before you buy it, so you know what's the experience like, that you actually have to put it together. And that, but like I said, it's not hard. You just saw that, only a couple screws. Yeah, this is super easy. Just put it on. That's it. And it's got this screen, which is oops, touch screen. I gotta turn it on, so I'm gonna take a few pictures and I'm gonna write it all in the review, so that way you guys know. But it's got for the humidity, mist, timer, so you can set it up how long you want it. The UV, I'm not sure, that's for the light. These lights up, and the tank light here lights up, I believe. And then that's for sleep mode, so whenever you want to go to bed, it shuts down, or you can turn it on and some lights come up or something like that. So, you know, there's your manual. Oh, and it also has a little water pump, which is really cool. So I guess this one goes all the way to the bottom to grab the water, to make it flow. So that's really cool. And there's the cord for the water. So actually, I like this. I haven't used it yet, but I will be posting how does it go, and that's it. Thank you guys.
So this humidifier that we just got is so awesome. I've slept the whole night with this thing on, and I don't remember getting up at all, and that's rare for me. My husband has sleep apnea. Sometimes the machine that he wears is very uncomfortable to sleep with, and when he sleeps with without it, his throat tends to close up. He snores a lot, and he sleeps like a baby with this thing on. I don't even hear him snoring. I definitely recommend to people that live by the mountains or in the desert, anywhere there's a lot of dry air. This is awesome. And unfortunately, I can't take it with me wherever I go, and I definitely feel a difference, definitely. So I would highly recommend this product. It does not get your furniture and your floor wet. I've had it on all night. It's like 10 a.m. I'm an Uber driver, so I'm up all kinds of hours, but yeah, I slept so good. I slept so good with this. Like, when I say all night, I mean all of, the time that I've been asleep. But this is awesome. I loved it. It's on the lowest setting, and it still kicks butt. We could feel it all the way up until the living room. If we have the door open, we keep the door closed and feel definitely full effects. Unfortunately, I can't take it with me everywhere I go. And I definitely feel the difference when I step out of my home without this. I love it. And did I mention that it doesn't wet your furniture and your floor? So amazing. The mist is so I guess fine, or I'm not sure how to say it, but it's not like the Vicks humidifiers that throws out a lot of water, wets everything around. This is cool. I loved it. Definitely 5 stars.
I must say I am very impressed with this humidifier. You can see it's pretty strong. It's got a timer on it. It's got everything on there, the UV to cleanse the water, sleep. It's got this cool color light that turns different colors. I guess it makes it nice at nighttime. Most importantly, and the base, the only thing I had to screw in was 4 screws at the bottom. And it's awesome. I filled it all the way up with water to the max. And with flu season, I think this is the best thing to get. I mean, you can't see it too much, but yeah, there's your mist right there. I love it. And it was a good price. It was on sale, so I said, why not? And that's it. It's a very good purchase. I don't regret it. Also, I forgot to mention back here. Let me see if I could maybe turn it a little bit. Maybe you can see it back there. There's sorry about that. There's a little tray. You push it in and it comes right out. Literally comes right out. And you could put a few drops of any oil you have. I put eucalyptus and peppermint because I've been having a slight cold. And you just snap it back in. And there's the handle, so you can carry it, I guess, when you fill it up with water. And that's it. I love it. It's amazing. I don't regret it. And I'm definitely happy with this purchase.
Okay, so exactly 1 year, not to 1 year, I bought this humidifier January 24th, and this is December. So let's say 11 months. 11 months of buying this humidifier. This is what happened. You can see seeping out water from underneath. I didn't eat it on anything. In fact, ever since I bought this, it has been on this one spot. I filled it up with water. I bring in water and I fill it up. I don't lift it, I don't carry, I don't do nothing. Only for me to put it back on this season, this winter season. And oh my God, this is what happened. 11 months after buying this. Should I say this is a total waste of money? Should I say this is practically not dependable? I don't know. And you can see the water level is not filled up. But it's been sipping water since I put it on. This is my second review about this humidifier.
Mm-hmm.